Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Scrappy strip set, and then I'm going to give you some ideas on how to use those Scrappy strip sets to make some fun and creative quilts. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're going to make a Scrappy strip, and then I'm going to give you some ideas of ways you can use your Scrappy strip, because these are a lot of fun to play with. So what you're going to want is a bunch of strips. I just cut mine on the AccuQuilt Go. I have a 1.5 inch, I have a 2 inch, a 2.5 inch strip die. So, and then anything that is too small for that, I just throw that in with the other strips as long as it's bigger than 1 inch. So that's kind of my rule of thumb for strips. When I do a Scrappy strip set, then I don't always use the same width. You can, but I like to mix it up just because it adds some variety to your strip set. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull us a strip. We're going to pick another one that we want to go next to it. And I don't worry that they're the same length or not, because that will just give me more variety as I cut them up and use them in different projects. So right sides together. And we're going to sew this a 1/4 inch. Once we get that sewn, we're going to set our seam. And we're going to flip that back, kind of finger press it so that it goes back and we don't get any little tucks in the seam. And then we're going to press here. We don't want to move our iron back and forth because that can distort our seam and give us a kind of wonky look. So we don't want that wonky look, so we're just not going to move the iron around. Next, we're just going to grab us another strip, sew that on to our strip set by putting right sides together, and we'll just sew that along there. And we're just going to repeat our process of setting the seam, finger pressing back, and then once again pressing that seam. And we'll just keep doing that until we get a strip set. I like to make them about 12 to 15 inches. I don't go much bigger than that. And then let me show the fun things that you can do with this strip set. So once you make your Scrappy strip set, you can cut it into varying widths. I cut it into very thin strips when I made gradation. That's behind me. I also kind of varied the widths when I did Enchanted Forest and Yarn Bomb Trees. I had a lot of fun playing with Scrappy strips when I did my Pasta Please quilt. So I cut it into varying widths to make the various lasagna in my Pasta Please quilt. These are just a few things you can do with strip sets. Have fun, enjoy, get creative. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!